So hello folks, in this video I will show you how to sort data A to Z in Google Sheets. So let's go on Google Sheets. So there are two ways. The first one is if you want to sort data in the desired section, for example only in one section, click on the section, click on data, click on sort range and click on sort range by column A to Z. As you can see, the data is organized. Now the second method is hold and select all the columns and click on data, click on create filter. As you can see, every column has their own filter. Now click on filter, click on A to Z. Again click on filter, click on A to Z. As you can see, the data is organized. So that's it for the video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.